Good morning, my tiny tots. How are you today? Yesterday you have learnt about outdoor games, right? So today, first we will revise the outdoor games and then we will do an interesting activity. So let's get started.
Playing with a ball, blindfold, basketball, football, cricket, hide and seek, and hopscotch are some outdoor games we can play in our leisure time.
Now let's start the activity.
For this activity, I have drawn a ball on a chart sheet. You can take the help of your mama to draw a ball like this. Now we are going to do cotton dabbing with different colors and make this ball colorful. I have green color, yellow color, blue color and red color. Now let's start the activity. First I will take yellow color and dab slowly in this small circle. Do it very slowly, okay children? Color should not go out of the black line. See how nice it looks. Now I will take red color and slowly we'll dab it like this. Very slowly. We will try to cover white part and make the ball very colorful. Now I will take blue color and start dabbing this side. Very slowly. Isn't it looking colorful, children? Yes? You do this activity at your home with the help of your mama. Okay, children? You will surely enjoy it. See how nice it is looking? We will cover the white part and dab it with the blue color like this nicely. Now in this small part also very slowly and carefully we will dab. एकदम ध्यान से करना है बच्चों, ठीक है? धीरे से, अच्छे से. See how nice it looks. अच्छा लग रहा है ना? Now I will take green color and start dabbing here slowly and carefully. धीरे करेंगे, ओके बच्चों? अच्छे से. तो हमारा बॉल बहुत सुंदर और कलरफुल दिखेगा. See? Isn't it looking nice? See, our ball has started looking so colorful.
है ना बच्चों, बॉल कितना सुंदर दिखने लगा है। Now we will cover this small part also. Very slowly and carefully. Did you enjoy this activity? Yes. सबको मज़ा आया ना? Yippee! So beautiful it looks, right? So children, do this activity at your home. Okay? And use your favorite colors. Children, I hope you all have enjoyed the activity. Now, let's see the solution of the worksheet. In this worksheet, you had to identify the outdoor games and circle them. Right, children? Now, let's see the first picture. In the first picture, kids are playing hopscotch game. Hopscotch game is outdoor game, so we will circle it. In the next picture, kids are playing a board game. Board game is an indoor game, so we will not circle it. In the next picture, children are playing Ludo. Ludo is also an indoor game, so we will not circle it. In the next picture, children are playing cricket. Cricket is an outdoor game, so we will circle it. In the next picture, children are playing football. Football is an outdoor game, so we will circle it. In the last picture, kids are playing with blocks. It is an indoor game, so we will not circle it. Children, I hope you all have completed your worksheet like this. Good job. Okay children, bye-bye for today. I hope my videos made your learning more fun and exciting. Keep practicing, keep learning. Take care of yourselves. Have a nice day.